Hello everyone, welcome to another review, and today I shall be reviewing Xperia XA2 Ultra, Sony Xperia XA2 Ultra. First thing I'd like to let you guys know is this is a very massive phone and the build quality is so wonderful. Like, it feels very solid in the hand. Great, it's got a headphone jack right at the top of it. At the bottom, USB Type-C. On the right hand side, we have the power button. At the back, we have the fingerprint scanner and camera, flash, and NFC. Massive screen, 6 inches. And I mean, look at it. I mean, this is an era of bezel-less phones, but for some reason, the bezels on the XA2 Ultra looks very nice at the top and at the bottom. It just makes it look very massive and bulky. Here's a comparison with an iPhone 6 right there. Look at that. Look at that. Really big. But anyways, like I said, I'm not a proper YouTube review guy. I just do everyday experience, A normal person who's buying a phone, which is probably you guys watching this, you're not gonna care if the phone can do 3D printing or whatever, some crazy thing like that. It's just really nice that I give you like the basic overview. If you're looking for the phone, even if you you use the phone properly every single time, you still will get the best out of this phone. It's snappy. There's no lag that I can see whatsoever since I've been playing with the phone so far. So anyways, the screen is Corning Gorilla Glass 4. It's 4G network, nano SIM, and it runs Adreno 508 micro SD card. You can get it up to 256 gigabytes. I know it, all those numbers. It has the good numbers, anyways. It's perfect for a mid-range phone. Very good. Takes very good pictures. And I always do. If you want me to show you certain things about the phone, then I will. If you want me to review the camera separately, I will. The messages separately, I will. There's one thing I like about this phone is, so the Google Messages, it comes with it as the default messaging app, which is very good. The Messenger app, that is very, in fact, for my other Android phone as well, I changed the messaging app to the Google one because it's really good. I quite like it. And now let's talk about the cameras. So at the front, if you can see here, it's got a flash. I know, selfie flash. Single or two cameras at the front. You see, there's 2 cameras at the front, except one is a sensor. Then I might be giving you the wrong information. But yeah, it does have 2 selfie cameras, one 16MP and one is 8 megapixel. And at the back, it's got just one. So you see, it focuses properly on the selfies, which is really good. So it's got one at the back and it's 23 megapixel. I'll just show you what it is. It's not waterproof, which is, it might be a boss cue for some people. There you are at the 5, the back. It's really good, really snappy. So yeah, this is a review for the Xperia XA2 in UK, by the way. So, and it was only, well, I got one recently for my mom, not this one. I bought it off giffgaff. When it was online, it was for £365, I think. But I bought it during Boxing Day as a gift for my mom, and it was £150 off, and it went down to £200. So I paid £200 for £350 phone. Good bargain, and it's a wonderful phone for 2018. If you don't want to spend too much money on a phone, this is a good phone to buy. And I've got another review coming up as well, as also because I recently purchased the iPhone 7 Plus. I know it's 2018, but it's also good money, good value for money in 2018, because the phone to me pretty much is the same as the other ones. I mean, it runs same speed. Maybe the cameras might be a little bit behind, but it's still wonderful. But here, there is the review of the Xperia XA2 Ultra. Any questions, please let me know. Thank you for watching. Bye.